Which is the 44th UNESCO World Heritage Site of India? Correct answer is option B. Maratha Military Landscapes of India. Who became the first Indian to complete NASA's Air and Space program? Correct answer is option C. Janvi Dangeti. Who was honored with the Gates Cambridge Impact Prize in 2025? Correct answer is option B. Professor Urbasi Sinha. Where was the World Hydrogen Summit and Exhibition 2025 held? Correct answer is option B. Rotterdam, Netherlands. How many sections and chapters are there in the new Income Tax Bill 2025? Correct answer is option B. 536 sections and 23 chapters. Which six languages were included for real time translation services in the Indian Parliament? Correct answer is option A. Bodo, Dogri, Maithili, Manipuri, Sanskrit, and Urdu. ISRO achieved its historic 100th launch from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota using which launch vehicle? Correct answer is option B. GSLV F-15. What is the new name given to the Hindustan jet trainer HJT-36? Correct answer is option D. Yashash. Where was the India's first green hydrogen hub project launched? Correct answer is option B. Andhra Pradesh. Bongo Sagar naval exercise has been conducted in March 2025 in Bay of Bengal between India and which country? Correct answer is option C. Bangladesh. Which country officially announced its withdrawal from China's Belt and Road Initiative in February 2025? Correct answer is option B. Panama. Where was the largest Hindu temple in the southern hemisphere unveiled? Correct answer is option B. Johannesburg, South Africa. What is the official theme declared by the United Nations for International Women's Day 2025? Correct answer is option C. For all women and girls, rights, equality, empowerment. And International Women's Day observed every year on 8th March. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate the School of Ultimate Leadership Conclave 2025? Correct answer is option B. New Delhi. Where has India established its first zoo-based biobank for wildlife conservation? Correct answer is option C. Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park, located in Darjeeling, West Bengal. Who won the Memorial League World Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B. Vishwa Rajakumar. Who has been named in Time magazine's Woman of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option A. Purnima Devi Burman. Which team topped the medals table at the Khelo India Winter Games 2025 held in Leh and Gulmarg? Correct answer is option C. Indian Army. Who has been honored with the Gold Mercury Award for Peace and Sustainability in April 2025? Correct answer is option B. Dalai Lama. What is the new name of Fort William located in Kolkata? Correct answer is option C. Vijay Durg. Who has been sworn in as the new president of Greece in March 2025? Correct answer is option B. Constantine Tassos. According to the Hurun Global Rich List 2025, where does India rank globally in terms of the number of billionaires and how many billionaires does it have? Correct answer is option B. third with 284 billion years. According to recent data, which country emerged as the leading source of foreign direct investment into Dubai? Correct answer is option D, India. Which Indian institute has inaugurated Asia's largest shallow wave basin research facility? Correct answer is option C, IIT Madras. Where was India France bilateral naval exercise Varun 2025 conducted? Correct answer is option B, Arabian Sea. Which city has launched India's first digital house address project? Correct answer is option C, Indore. Who launched the Bharat Poll portal on 7 January 2025, developed by Central Bureau of Investigation? Correct answer is option B, Amit Shah. Who has been elected as the chairman of GSMA board? Correct answer is option B, Gopal Vittal. What rank did India achieve in the Global Firepower Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, fourth. USA achieved the first rank in Global Firepower Index 2025. What is the theme for World Tuberculosis Day 2025? Correct answer is option B. Yes, we can end TB. Commit, invest, deliver. World Tuberculosis Day observed every year on 24th March. Where was India's first equine disease-free compartment established? Correct answer is option D. Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Which city was ranked the world's most livable in the Global Livability Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, Copenhagen. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Indian Space Research Organization? Correct answer is option A, V. Narayanan. Where was the Khelo India Para Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. And the mascot name of Khelo India Para Games 2025 was Ujjwala. Which country became the first in the Amazon region to be certified malaria free by World Health Organization? Correct answer is option D, Suriname. Who has been awarded an honorary knighthood from UK for strengthening India-UK business ties? Correct answer is option B, Sunil Bharti Mittal. Who won the Asian Snooker Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B, Pankaj Advani. Where was India's first World Peace Center inaugurated? Correct answer is option C, Gurugram. Who was honored with the National Maritime Varun Award recently? Correct answer is option B, Captain Rajesh Unni. Who has been appointed as the Vice President of the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Bhushan Prasad Pandey. Which two Indian texts were recently added to UNESCO's Memory of the World Register? Correct answer is option B, Bhagavad Gita and Natya Shastra. Who became the youngest Indian and the second youngest person in the world to complete the Seven Summits Challenge? Correct answer is option B, Vishwanath Karthikeya. Which two digital platforms were recently launched by the Department of Post to enhance India's addressing system? Correct answer is option B, Know Your DigiPin and Know Your PIN code. Where was the 67th session of the governing body meeting of the Asian Productivity Organization held? Correct answer is option B, Jakarta, Indonesia. Which company unveiled India's first AI-powered gold melting ATM to melt and process gold for transactions? Correct answer is option A, Gold Sikka. The eighth edition of the joint military exercise Shakti conducted between which two countries from June 18 to 1st July 2025? Correct answer is option C, India and France. Which bank has partnered with the Professional Golf Tour of India as its official banking partner? Correct answer is option C, IndusInd Bank. Who has been appointed as the president of the Asian Cricket Council? Correct answer is option C, Mohsin Naqvi. Banu Mushtaq has won the International Booker Prize 2025 for which book? Correct answer is option A, Heart Lamp. Heart Lamp is the first Kannada book to win the International Booker Prize, and it is translated into English by Deepa Bhasti. Which Bengaluru-based startup has launched India's first private hyperspectral satellite constellation? Correct answer is option B, Pixel. Who won the Tata Steel Chess Masters 2025? Correct answer is option D, R. Pragnanda. Which state topped the medals tally in Khelo India Para Games 2025? Correct answer is option A, Haryana. Which two Indian player announced retirement from international test cricket in May 2025? Correct answer is option C, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. Which Bollywood actor received the Master Humor Award at the Macau International Comedy Festival 2025? Correct answer is option B, Amir Khan. Who was honored with the Mitra Vibhushan, highest civilian honor of Sri Lanka, recently? Correct answer is option B, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Where did ISRO launch India's first analog space mission? Correct answer is option B, Leh Ladakh. Who won the Best Actor award at the IFA Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, Karthik Aryan. Which Indian state became the first to implement scheduled caste subcategorization? Correct answer is option A, Telangana. Which film won the Best Picture award at the 97th Academy Awards? Correct answer is option C, Anora. Which organization launched the Yashoda AI Your AI Sakhi program? Correct answer is option A, National Commission for Women. During the state visit of Angola's president to India in May 2025, how many significant MOUs were signed? Correct answer is option C, 3, and it is related to Ayurveda, agriculture, and culture. When is World Press Freedom Day observed? Correct answer is option B, 3rd May. And the theme for World Press Freedom Day 2025 was Reporting in the Brave New World, the Impact of Artificial Intelligence on Press Freedom and the Media. Where was the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Bhubaneswar, and the theme was Diaspora's Contribution to a Viksit Bharat. Which country has unveiled the world's longest expressway tunnel named Tian Shan Shengli Tunnel? Correct answer is option B, China. Who became the youngest world chess champion by defeating Ding Liren? Correct answer is option A, Gukesh Domaraju. Where was the third edition of SOSX India 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Who won the women's title of the Norway Chess 2025 tournament? Correct answer is option C, Anna Mozychuk. What was the mascot name of Kho World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option A, Tejas and Tara. Where was exercise Tista Prahar, a military field exercise conducted by the Indian Army in May 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Tista Field Firing Range, West Bengal. Who has taken charge as the Controller General of Defense Accounts in March 2025? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Mayank Sharma. Which Indian cities became the first to be recognized as accredited wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands? Correct answer is option B, Udaipur and Indore. How many Padma Awards has been given in the year 2025? Correct answer is option B, 139. What is the goal set by the Government of India for geographical indication tags by 2030, announced by Union Minister Piyush Goyal in January 2025? Correct answer is option B, 10,000 GI tags. Who inaugurated the World Sustainable Development Summit 2025 in New Delhi? Correct answer is option B, Union Minister Bhupender Yadav. What is the theme for World Earth Day 2025? Correct answer is option A, Our Power, Our Planet. And the World Earth Day observed every year on 22nd April. Where was Global Investor Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Bhopal. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the 23rd Law Commission of India? Correct answer is option C, Justice Dinesh Maheshwari. Which of the following bill has been passed by Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in April 2025? Correct answer is option A, Waqf Amendment Bill 2025. Which state became the first to implement semiconductor policy in India? Correct answer is option A, Gujarat. Who won the Aditya Birla Memorial Polo Cup 2025 held in New Delhi? Correct answer is option A, Rajinigandah Achievers. Who has been awarded the ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year 2024? Correct answer is option D, Jasprit Bumrah. Who has assumed charge as the Chief Executive of the Indian Banks Association? Correct answer is option D, Atul Kumar Goyal. What is the official mascot of the Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Gaj Simha. Who became the first African woman Secretary General of the Commonwealth of Nations? Correct answer is option C, Shirley Ayorkar Boshwe. Who was honored with the Icon of Excellence Award at the 14th edition of FILA 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jay Shah. Udhwa Lake Bird Sanctuary is located in which state added to the Ramsar site list in February 2025? Correct answer is option D, Jharkhand. Who took oath as the new Chief Minister of New Delhi in February 2025? Correct answer is option C, Rekha Gupta. Who has been selected for the 59th Gyanpith Award? Correct answer is option A, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Where was the Army Commanders Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. What is the new name of Dhyan Chand Lifetime Achievement Award? Correct answer is option C, Arjun Lifetime Award. Who was sworn in as the ninth director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation? Correct answer is option A, Kash Patel. What was the theme of India's 76th Republic Day Parade in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Swarnim Bharat Virasat or Vikas. Who has been appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director of Food Corporation of India? Correct answer is option C, Ashutosh Agnihotri. Which country has become the first to criminalize AI generated child sexual abuse material? Correct answer is option C, United Kingdom. What is the new name of Zomato after its corporate rebranding? Correct answer is option B, Eternal. Which two companies were granted Navratna PSU status by the Indian government on 4th March 2025? Correct answer is option B, IRCTC and IRFC. Where was India's first open air art wall museum inaugurated? Correct answer is option A, Mausam Bhavan, New Delhi. Who became the first woman fighter pilot in the Indian Navy in July 2025? Correct answer is option C, Sub Lieutenant Astha Punia. Which bank has launched the first Earn Rupee credit card in collaboration with Rupee? Correct answer is option B, IDFC First Bank. Which state government has named an upcoming electronic city as Ratan Tata Electronic City? Correct answer is option C, Assam. Who was sworn in as Uruguay's new president? Correct answer is option A, Yamundu Orsi. Who has been appointed as the global ambassador for Levi's denim brand? Correct answer is option A, Diljit Dosanjh. How many river dolphins were recorded in India's first comprehensive river dolphin survey? Correct answer is option A, 6,327. Who has been appointed as India's new finance secretary? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Seth. Which actor has been named as the brand ambassador for Tata Motors passenger and electric vehicle segment? Correct answer is option B, Vicky Kaushal. Who secured a dominant victory at the Chinese Grand Prix 2025? Correct answer is option C, Oscar Piastri. India's ambitious nuclear mission aims to generate how much nuclear power by 2047? Correct answer is option C, 100 gigawatt. Who has been appointed as the CEO of the government e-marketplace? Correct answer is option B, Ajay Bhadu. What is the name of the satellite announced to launch by the Assam government? Correct answer is option A, Assam Sat. What new name was announced for Bangalore City University by Karnataka CM Siddharamaiah? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Manmohan Singh Bangalore University. Which country launched Operation True Promise 3 against Israel? Correct answer is option A, Iran. Kichan and Menar wetlands were designated as Ramsar site in June 2025, located in which state? Correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. What is India's rank in the Global Peace Index 2025, published by Institute for Economic and Peace? Correct answer is option D, 115th. Ireland achieved the first rank in the Global Peace Index 2025. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Fertilizer Association of India? Correct answer is option B, Sailesh C. Mehta. Who won the women's singles title at French Open 2025? Correct answer is option B, Coco Gauff. When is National Civil Services Day observed in India? Correct answer is option B, 21st April. Which state has launched Border Tourism Initiative in June 2025? Correct answer is option A, Himachal Pradesh. Which portal has been launched by UPSC to help eligible but deprived candidates? Correct answer is option C, Pratibha Setu portal. Which country will host the 18th BRICS Summit in 2026? Correct answer is option D, India. The last question is, who was sworn in as new Prime Minister of Singapore in May 2025? Correct answer is option A, Lawrence Wong. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Who became the first woman fighter pilot in the Indian Navy in July 2025? So friends, share your answer in the comment box and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.